Hi everyone, welcome to WP Pocket. In today's video, I will show you steps to install WordPress on localhost using WAMP server. If you prefer written article, then you can find the link of this article in the description below. Now to start the process, we need to download WAMP server. So go to wampserver.com/en, then scroll down to the download section. Here you will see two versions, 64 bits and 32 bits. Click on the version which you want to download. Then click download directly. Then your download will start automatically in few seconds. I already have this file, so I am going to cancel it. Then go to a download folder and double click on the WAMP server exe file to run it. Then choose the language and click OK. Accept the agreement and click next. Click next again. Then if you want, then you can change this folder name. Then click next. Click next again. You can change this folder name too. Then click next. Click install. Then just before finishing the installation process, WAMP server will ask you two questions. First question is, do you want to choose another browser installed on the system? If you want to choose another browser, then click yes, otherwise click no. Then if you want to choose another editor, then click yes, otherwise click no. Then click next. Then click finish to complete the installation process. Now go to your desktop and double click on the WAMP server exe to run it. After that, you will see a green color icon on the taskbar, which means WAMP server is running. Now we need a database to store all the data of our website. So left click on this icon, then click phpMyAdmin. Or you can directly go to the browser and type localhost/phpMyAdmin. Then enter username. By default, username is root, so enter root in this field and leave the password field blank. Then click go. Click new to create a new database. Enter a database name. Then click create. As you can see, database is successfully created. Now we need WordPress file to install WordPress in the localhost server. So open a new tab and type wordpress.org/download. Click on the download WordPress button to download it. I already have this file, so I am not going to download it. Then go to a download folder and right click on the WordPress zip file and extract it. After extracting this zip file, you will get a folder like this. Open this folder and you will find all the WordPress files inside this folder. As you can see, all the WordPress file inside this folder. So go back and copy this folder. Now go to a drive where you installed the WAMP server. In my case, I installed the WAMP server in the C drive. Open WAMP server folder. Then open www folder. Now paste the WordPress folder here. Now if you want, then you can also change this folder name. Now we can start the installation process. So go to the browser, open a new tab, type localhost/WordPress. This is the folder name which we have pasted in the previous step. Make sure this folder name and this name should be same. Now click enter to start the installation process. Choose language and click continue. Then WordPress will give you a message. You will need all the database details in the next step. We have already created a database, so click let's go. Now enter a database name. In my case, database name is WP Pocket. So I will enter WP Pocket. And enter root in the username field. Leave the password field blank. Then you don't need to change database host and table prefix. Then click submit. If all the details are correct, then you will see a success message. Click run the installation. Now enter site title. Enter username. You can use this username to log in into your WordPress dashboard. Then remember this password or create a easy password. Click confirm use of weak password. Then enter your email address. Click install WordPress. Now you have successfully installed WordPress in your localhost. You can click login button to log in into your dashboard. Enter username and enter a password and click login. As you can see, WordPress is successfully installed in the localhost website. You can visit website to see how it's working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching WP Pocket.